Hey there, let's dive into this topic of price action in trading with technical analysis. It's seriously one of the most critical aspects to wrap your head around if you're looking to trade successfully. This stuff can give you insights into whether a price is headed up, down, gaining momentum, or losing steam. And trust me, if you're not getting the hang of price action, your trading journey could be a bit rocky. Hey, if you like the content that I'm creating for you, all I'm asking in return is just 2 seconds of your precious time in a day to just subscribe to my channel, like the video, because by liking, the YouTube algorithm is going to show my videos to more traders like you so they can also take the benefit out of my content too. Feel free to ask me anything or just give me ideas down in the comments and help me out to help you become better traders. Now let's talk indicators for a second. You've got your moving averages, MACD, RSI, and all those other fancy tools. But here's the deal. Most of these are playing catch up. They're looking at past price moves, give you a heads up, which is cool and all, but often by the time they give you the signal, the chart's already on the move. This is where price action comes to the rescue. Price action is like real-time trading nirvana. No delays, no lag. It's all about making decisions right in the moment. But wait, hold up. I'm not telling you to completely ditch indicators. They can definitely be a part of your trading arsenal, especially when teamed up with the price action. However, if you're aiming to become a top-notch trader, understanding price action is non-negotiable. It's what will give you that confidence to take trades that feel rock solid. So let's jump into it. I'm going to dish out 4 juicy price action secrets that will put you on the path to trading success. Starting with candlesticks. Just a quick pause here. I previously made a completely dedicated session video about it, almost an hour of video about it. You can just check it out. I broke it down in details. You can watch that video, especially if you're a beginner. But now you've probably seen those candles on your chart, right? But there's more to them than meets the eye. Sure, the wicks are essential, but don't ignore the body of the candle. It's got its own story to tell. Take a big green candle with no wicks. For instance, when that baby shows up, it's like buyers couldn't resist diving in headfirst. Buying frenzy. The result? The price shoots up. Green candles like these are like bull's megaphone, and they often signal strong support or resistance levels. Another quick pause here. If you're a beginner and you don't know the whole concept about support and resistance levels, or let's say supply and demand zones, I've got you covered. Don't worry. Previously, a completely dedicated session and video about it. Make sure to check it out. You won't regret it. Now, let's chat mean reversion. Think of this as a fancy term for saying price like to come back to their average. Imagine you've got a chart dancing around, but slap a 50-period moving average on it. Watch what happens. Whenever the price stays far from the average, it has a tendency to boomerang right back. It's like a cosmic rule of trading. If the price takes a detour from the average, chances are it's circling back. Now moving on to momentum. Before that, it really matters that which cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it. Or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it. I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. My friend, momentum is a game changer. Think of this as how fast the price is zooming along. If you spot a chart picking up speed, you can bet your bottom dollar that a bullish or bearish move might be around the corner. So gradual climbs versus sudden bursts, that's the momentum game in action. And when more buyers join the party, momentum gets a boost and that chart's ready to soar. Last but not least, pullbacks. These are those pesky little corrections that happen when a chart's on the rise or fall. But they're not a bad thing. In fact, they're pretty telling. Weak pullback? That means the traders aren't bailing out left and right, which usually sets the stage for another upswing. Strong pullback? Well, brace yourself. Traders are hitting the exit in bigger numbers, so sideways moves or even reversals might be in store. Oh, and here's a neat trick to gauge pullbacks. Fibonacci retracements. It's a tool you can use to figure out if a pullback is flexing its muscles or just taking a breather. You dial in a few key levels, and if the price stays above a certain level during a pullback, it's probably weaker than your grandma's tea. But if it dives below, it's got more strength than the Hulk. But don't go anywhere. Just before the end of the video, I have a surprise for you about those Fibonacci retracement levels, which you're gonna like it. Alright. I know I've thrown a bunch at you, but remember, these price action secrets aren't solo acts. They are like Avengers of trading. Combine them, team them up with some indicators if you want, and you're in for a potent trading strategy. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do. This is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. And hey, if these insights have you excited about trading, do me a solid and hit that like button. It will give me a warm, fuzzy feeling. Oh, and if you're craving a knockout strategy that pairs perfectly with these price action secrets, check out my other videos in this playlist right here, where I dive deep into one of my all-time favorites. Thanks for tuning in, my trading family. Catch you in the next one.